Hello, I'm going to be exploring three different Microsoft apps. The first is Fluid Math. This software is a very powerful, very useful app. You can solve equations. So, as for an example, I've got here 5x plus 8 equals 9x. And all I did is I put the variable that I wanted to solve for, and I entered this command, and it instantly solves the equation for you. And another thing that Fluid Math can do for you, I'm just going to clear the page here, is graph. So if I'm just going to enter a simple linear equation, y equals 2x plus 5, and let's try again. So while I am trying to get this grabbed, I'll just discuss with you the pros and the cons. The pros is that you can instantly get some tough questions answered and problem solved. The cons is that it's sometimes difficult to get the pen to recognize your writing. This will probably work better on a touch screen, I'm assuming, but I am not using a touch screen right now. I'm using my laptop and I am trying to use the mouse. And so this is very challenging. So anyway, I'm just gonna try this once more. This is supposed to prompt the program to graph the equation y equals 2x plus 5. But yeah, it's not happening. I'm going to attempt it once more, but I don't want my video to be too long. So if it doesn't work this time, then I am going to move on to the next app. So once again, I want it to graph the linear equation y equals 2x plus 5. Oh. So here's the graph, but my line did not appear somehow. I'm just going to try to type that there. Nope, it's not allowing me to type anything. So yeah, this is the not so promising one, by the way. Let's just move on to the next app. This one is going to be Creative Cards. This app creates digital flashcards that can be used in various disciplines. It allows you to either use preloaded or self-made material. So earlier, I searched for isosceles triangles and I came up with this uh, set of cards. So there are three different options that we can use to study isosceles triangles. I can use these terms and definitions in a matching game, and I can match the terms to the definitions. You're timed, and as you match them correctly, the cards disappear. So angle bisector, there you go. You see? Okay, and the other option is multiple choice. You get different terms, and you have to match them correctly. If I hide this, let's see, I'm just checking randomly, so I got it wrong. Okay, and it gives you the correct answer, and then what you selected, if and when that happens. Okay, so let's back up and look at the next option, which is flashcard. And I'm just going to go with the standard way of presenting this. So here are two definitions, and then when I flip the card over by pressing this button, I get the answer on the back. So that's Creative Cards, the Creative Cards app. Lastly, the last app that I want to explore with you is iExplain. iExplain is an interactive whiteboard. You can also screencast what you're doing. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be doing that since I'm already screencasting. So I'm just going to choose a pen and I'm going to go over examples of corresponding angles when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. So I'm going to be getting another color here, and I'm going to be showing you two corresponding angles. Okay, and I'll just select another color. Does yellow show up? Yep. And show you another set of corresponding angles. Okay, so those are the 3 of the 6 apps that I explored on Microsoft. And I hope that you enjoyed this.